Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. Myself Bipin Kumar. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will show you like how to monitor CPU utilization of any EC2 instance. So in that case, we got requirement in our company, or you have to monitor your CPU utilization for prod web server or staging server, UAT server, for different kind of environment you have running on EC2 instance. For that one you have to monitor CPU utilization things. So in this video I will be showing you practically like how to implement these things in real time. So let's go, and I will be launching an EC2 instance as well in this video. So let me show you. Okay, so I will give CPU utilization, okay, this instance name. So I will select here my key pair. So apart from it all are good. So we'll click on launch instance. So let's wait for our instance get launched. So it's launched, but yeah, let me click on it. So it's still in pending state. So status check, like see instance type, instance state is pending till now. So we have to wait for some time. Then after that the instance status will change to available. So then after that we can go and we can implement the CPU utilization metrics to monitor this instance CPU. So let's wait for some time. Yeah, we got it. Now instance is running. Okay, so here click on this and click on monitoring thing. So by default, see, no transition data. So by default it won't monitor your CPU. If you want to get email or any alert, so what you will do, then you have to use CloudWatch, and you have to set these things as a alarm. So click on it, click on view in matrix. So it will redirect to CloudWatch. So let me show you. So here we don't have any alarm, so this instance is showing. So we have to click on all alarm. We have to click on now create alarm and select matrix. So we have to select our EC2 instance for instance metric and CPU utilization. This one is CPU utilization matrix. So we have to click on next. See here the statics will be average, that's fine. So apart from it, like I'm going to give when CPU utilization is greater than or equal to, I will give 70%. So yeah, we have to write here 70 only, not percentage. It will automatically consider as a percentage. Then after that we have to click on next. So in alarm, so whenever the alarm get trigger, we should get any email or alert. So here we have to select create new topic. So default CloudWatch alarm. So I will rename it like CPU utilization CloudWatch alarm topic. Okay, so I will give any email ID here. So I will give mine. Okay, so we have to now click on create topic. So it will create topic here, and it will automatically select that topic, and it will send email to this mail ID only whenever the CPU utilization is going beyond 70%. Okay, so we have to click on now next, alarm name, then CPU UT CPU utilization for my EC2. Okay, then click on next. We have to check all the parameter, what the parameter we have selected, so we can check here, and if there is anything wrong then we have to click on edit, or we can give we can click on previous as well, and we can change these parameters. And now we have to click on create alarm. So yeah, so alarm got created. Okay, so this one is the previous alarm. I will delete it. This one is not required. So let me go to this my mail ID and refresh it. So see, we'll get here mail, then we have to confirm the subscription, so that later on whenever the CPU utilization go beyond like 70%, then we will be getting email alert. So we have to click on this confirm subscription. See, subscription have been confirmed. Okay, so that's it. And now go to this one. So in this warning state will get changed after we confirm the subscription. From endpoint, whatever the mail ID you have given, if they have confirmed the subscription, then after that this warning will be gone, and action will change to action enabled. Okay, so in some time it will start monitoring the CPU utilization for my EC2 instance. So here state will be changed now in some time. Yeah, so I will that's it for this video. I will show you in the next video as well. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends this video. I hope you are enjoying my video, and this video is helpful for you as well. So keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.